How to change language of audio and subtitles on Netflix. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language of audio and subtitles on Netflix. Now, let's get started. I'll be demonstrating how to do this on a computer, but you can follow these same steps on the mobile app, TV app, or other devices. First, begin streaming the show or movie you want to watch. Next, click the language control icon in the bottom right corner. After that, you'll see a list of available languages for both audio and subtitles. Then, select the languages you prefer for each option. Once you've done that, your show or movie will refresh and start playing in the selected language. And that's all it takes to change the language of audio and subtitles on Netflix. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.